Here is my midterm exercise 1 setup. We have the temperature sensor. We have this orange jumper wire to the negative terminal on the breadboard. This green jumper wire to the analog pin 0 on the Arduino. We have this red jumper cable on the positive terminal on the breadboard. We have our LED diode. This yellow jumper wire connects it to the negative. We have our resistor, which will keep the diode from overworking itself and potentially exploding. And we have this red jumper wire to the digital 7 pin on the Arduino. Now, here is the serial monitor. You can see that it's around 74, 76 degrees in my room. It's jumping a little bit. That's why the LED is flashing, because of our if statement down here. It says if the temperature is above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, the LED will turn on, and if it's anything below 75, it'll turn off. So right now it's fully on now. I guess the temperature went up. It's around 77. So to cool it down, I just used an ice cube with a bag so that I didn't get everything all wet. Here we see temperature is actually going down. It's at 72 now, and the LED is off. Here is my midterm exercise 2 setup. We have our 5-volt jumper wire to our positive pin on the breadboard. We have our negative ground jumper wire right there. Here's the RGB LED. We have 3 220 ohm resistors, 1 on each LED pin. The one second to the right is the ground pin. We have the red jumper wire on that, going to the negative terminal on the breadboard. And each one of these, this orange jumper wires to the 10 digital pin. We have the blue one on the 9 digital pin, and this last red one on the 8 digital pin. And we have those set in our code. So we have this yellow jumper wire on our push button. That's going to the 3 digital pin. We have our temperature sensor right here, with this jumper wire, the left going to the positive, the one all the way on the right going to the negative, and this green one going to the analog pin on the Arduino. So turn on our serial monitor, clear that. It will show nothing. Nothing shows up until this push button is pushed in, and it will read the voltages. It'll read the degrees in Fahrenheit and in degrees. So we're at 66 right now. See if we can get it down below 50, because that's when it should turn blue. Right now, it's orange color. It's supposed to be yellow, but the green pin is not working as it should. Almost below 50, and it'll turn into a nice cyan color. I guess I should have got 2 ice cubes. It's not really getting to the temperature I need. It's getting close. There it is. You can see now it is a blue color, light blue, cyan color. So when we take it off, temperature will go back to between 50 and 80 is when it'll stay the orange color. So I got this handy dandy hair dryer. We will heat it up just a little bit. And it'll change color. See how it went from the orange color to the red color? Push button in, 87 degrees, and it is bright red. So let's go over to our code right here. Let's focus it. All right, so this is just setting up our pins for the RGB LED. So red pin is 8, blue pin is 9, green pin is 10, and this is for our push button. So this is just setting up the serial monitor and labeling the inputs and outputs. Push button's an input, so when you push it in, when it is high, then the serial monitor will begin writing, but when it is off, it'll show nothing. Here's our conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and this is what the serial monitor will print with a delay. And then this is our if statement. So if the degrees is above 80, it'll be the bright red color. If it is the temperature is between 50 and 80, it'll be that yellowish color. And then down here, if it's anything else, so meaning if it's below 50, it'll be that cyan light bluish color. And that is it.